Hello, today you are gathered together with TP Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to tell you grade 9 science 13th lesson part 2. Artificial environment and green concept. Now let us learn about organic farming. The production of processes that promote the well-being of agricultural environment, system, microbial activity in soil, biodiversity and biological cycles is called organic farming. The organic farming is use of traditional agricultural practices for pest control. They are spread other organisms and destroy the eggs and larvae of pests. Control the pests using insect repelling substances, example Daspetia flowers. Water management to control pests. Now let us learn about water management. The ancient kings made water tanks for water management. In the future, we use dams, reservoirs for water management. In the dry zone area, people use a device set up in-house to collect rainwater. In the agriculture, also farmers use drip irrigation to water management. Now let us learn about land management. Management of use and develop the land resource is known as land management. Land provides the environment for the agriculture. There are some steps taken in land management are given below. Making a soil texture suitable for agriculture. Making a good drainage system in land. Improving the quality of soil by applying fertilizers. There are some few advantages can be obtained by sustainable management of agricultural land. Now let us learn about post-harvest technology. Cleaning, classifying and packaging the harvest immediately after harvesting so that its quality is preserved, and it is known as post-harvest technology. In Sri Lanka, post-harvest technology can be seen in a low level. Now the part 2 of the lesson is over. Now you don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it now.